So me and Sky are gonna walk in the rain to go and get free ice cream.
Yeah.
So let's go, Sky. We have my phone in a plastic bag right now, so that it doesn't get completely ruined.
That's actually a really good idea.
It is a really good idea, except I don't know if it's gonna mess up the camera at all. So if it does, and you're like, why is it so blurry, then that's the reason. And yeah, we're just gonna be walking. I'm excited. I like ice cream.
I know. I love ice
Do they
cream.
have like the good ice cream, like Spencer?
I don't know. I haven't been in. My mom says it's a free ice cream boutique.
Ah. So is it gonna be cute? Like, do we get to take cute pictures?
It's also a Christmas store
Oh.
and a craft store.
Oh,
They
that's
also have
interesting.
organic makeup and sunscreen.
If you want ice cream and you're under 18, come on down to Kirkfield.
yeah,
Most of you probably don't even know where that is.
that's okay.
That's okay though. Even if you're from LA and you want free ice cream, just come on down because you only have to pay for the border and stuff. Gas, border,
Plane ticket, maybe.
but you'll still get free ice cream, so
And that's
it's all worth it.
yeah. It truly is.
Okay, Sky, this umbrella is not working.
Are you still wet?
Yeah, I'm very wet. I'm gonna like roll up my sleeves a bit. Okay, there we go.
Put your hood up.
Okay, I'm gonna take my hat off. Hood up.
Wait, Emily.
Whoa.
Could you hold this for a sec while I put my hood up? Don't mind us. Taking it down the highway.
Her umbrella is a little bit.
Ah!
There we go. Oh, I think it's working now. Still a little bit bent. Like, I'm actually really wet, but that's all good. I actually don't understand how it's raining right now when there's snow on the ground.
Hope it stops raining.
Yeah, me too.
Emily, you kind of cut me off. We're going to end up in the ditch.
I'm sorry. So it might be a little bit loud because of the rain, and I'm sorry if it is, and it also might be blurry because of the plastic bag.
And you might not be able to hear us very well because of the plastic bag.
We're gonna get hit by a car because we're just paying attention to our vlog and not the road. But that's all good because we've not hit the open highway kind of area yet, so we won't die, hopefully. Get ready for the spring with your pumpkins. Okay, so these people stopped, and they were like, "Oh hey, you girls look like you need a ride," and we were going to accept it.
Yeah.
But then we realized, what if they're axe murderers? I mean, they're probably not. Like, they seem like really nice people, but like at the same time, they so are all the other axe murderers. Like, they all seem nice. So maybe,
Yeah.
so we decided not to take the ride, and we're just continuing walking in the rain.
It's actually quite nice.
No, it's not. Awful.
If the rain stops.
I asked Sky, like, we're about halfway, right, Sky?
Yeah, about.
And I feel like right now.
Copyright Ev.
Oh no! So I feel like we are questioning all our life choices because we don't know if this is worth free ice cream or not. You know, like, you feel like everything is worth free ice cream until you have to walk in the cold while it's raining with like barely an umbrella.
What's up, guys?
So
raining.
we're really happy because it stopped raining. So I just took the plastic bag off. Okay guys, so we're almost here. It's been a long walk. I'd say about 20-30 minutes.
And we're not even there yet.
And we're not even there yet. So we're like about
getting
5
fresh air.
minutes away.
I'd say 10.
Okay, 10. So me and Sky still aren't really sure if this is worth free ice cream. Depending on how good the ice cream is.
If it's
Then
not
it
even,
might
if
be.
it's not Kawartha Dairy, I'll be kind of upset.
Yeah, like Kawartha Dairy. If you guys don't live in the Kawarthas, which you probably don't, but if you don't live in the Kawarthas, Kawartha Dairy is like literally the
Kawartha
best
Dairy
ice cream you
is
can
in
buy.
Toronto. can buy Fourth of Dairy anywhere in
Oh,
Ontario.
okay.
Or Canada, I think.
And
People in Hamilton can buy it.
okay, that's sweet.
It is
So
sweet.
if you live in Toronto, you can still buy it, apparently.
Yep. Go. If you're anywhere, just get a fresh shipment of Fourth of Dairy ice cream. Come to your house.
You know
get
what? You
Moose
should,
Tracks.
because Kawartha Dairy is literally the best. It has, I believe 90 different flavors. Okay, so we can see our destination, which I'm super happy about. We're almost here. It's about 3:30, and the free ice cream thing stops at 4.
Hi guys.
We're walking back with our free ice cream.
Yeah.
We also got a bunch of free other stuff because
With a vlog coming soon. So
yep,
surprise
because
for that.
yeah, because the lady that was in there, I guess she had like some things that were going to expire or something by the end of this month or whatever. So she just gave us a bunch of free stuff. We bought some healthy hot chocolate as well,
We're gonna be trying
which she
some of that.
probably thinks that we're absolutely insane because we bought ice cream with healthy hot chocolate.
Well, the ice cream is complimentary.
Fair enough. Fair enough. But we're still eating it.
I don't know. Maybe some. That's exciting. We're gonna try that hot chocolate for you guys. Do a little taste test. A little snack and drink. Yeah. There was really cute, like Amanda, there was a really cute, if you're watching this, there was a really cute spatula in there. And it was pink and it had a little saying on it. We were going to get it for you, but it was out of our price range.
Yeah. We only had $7 to spend. When we came home and we came back.
Full-handed, we got a bag.
Yeah, we got a bag! It's from Loblaws.
Hey, recycle.
Mm-hmm.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
I feel really bad for the poor lady because she seemed like she doesn't get
Any customers.
not a lot of customers, probably just because of our area and like where we live and how not busy it is. So like it's not the best spot if you wanted to have a store of some kind.
Yeah, but
She was just giving us all the stuff and she was chatting to us all about her skincare routines.
yeah. Which everyone appreciates a good skincare routine.
Yeah. We were loved to hear it, and that wasn't sarcasm, by the way.
No, it was not.
We really did like to hear about it. And poor her, because her Facebook stopped working, so that's really the one main source of socializing that she got.
Yeah.
And now it's not working anymore. She can't post any pictures, she can't comment on anything. I don't really know much about Facebook, so I can't really tell you.
Can't
other
update her
things that she
status.
can't- Yeah, update her status.
And she can't get good business if she can't get anyone's attention.
Exactly. But after all that, it wasn't Kawartha Dairy. I'm not going to complain because it's still pretty good.
Yeah, Central Smith.
Uh-huh.
It is local though, so it's better than nothing.
Oh.
It's not like Chapman's Stadium, not like Barney's or something.
Yeah. You know what? I think that we're going to stop the vlog somewhat here. And then we're going to come back later and we're going to show you all the things that we got.
Yeah, do a little haul.
Yeah. The Christmas / ice cream / coffee and tea
And
/ craft / home decor place haul. So
Purple Doors. Check her out.
yeah, let's just call her Purple Door Lady.
That's the name of her store, the Purple Door.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know that. I just thought that it was just like this guy was just calling it the Purple Door.
Just had a Purple Door.
Yeah.
Figures.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. You can hit that like button if you want to, and you can also subscribe if you want to, but like you don't have to because we're boring and you probably don't want to see our faces ever again.
And you're probably really tired of hearing the same old, hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below, just do what you please, man, have fun.
Yeah.
We're not trying to pressure you.
No, we're not. Okay, well, bye everyone.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, then I'm sorry.
Yeah, then don't watch us again, there's really no point.
Okay, bye. Okay, 10.